It's a splendificent morning on Beep Island. Bossy Beep is taking the breakfast register.
Beep, beep.
Here, Bossy.
Smelly beep.
Here!
Sleepy beep.
Here!
Yuck.
Not here! Here!
Nosy beep.
Grid reference here, Bossy.
Teeny beep.
Here.
Teeny beep.
Here, Bossy.
Has anyone seen Teeny beep?
Sorry, Bossy, not me.
Sorry, Bossy. I'm here, Bossy.
Ah, Teeny beep. Why didn't you answer when I called your name?
I did.
Bossy beep. Oh, that's me. Brady beep. Brady beep.
Oh, hello down there. It won't be 2 ticks. Just finishing off something very special. Am I? Yes. Oh, I think so.
2 ticks. It's only 1 tick I'm after.
While we wait for Brainy, let's do our morning exercises. Come on, everyone, join in.
The beeps are out of bed. Now it's time to shake a leg. Shake the left, shake the right. Shake away the night. You've got to shake, 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 shake yourself awake. You've got to shake, 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 shake yourself awake. 1 beep, 2 beep, 3 beep, 4. Now it's time to shake some more. Shake your hips, shake your hands, shake them to the band. You've got to shake, 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 shake yourself awake. You've got to shake, 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 shake yourself awake. You've got to shake, 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 shake yourself awake.
Hello there. Sorry. So sorry. I'm, what am I sorry for being? Oh, something beginning with L. Loud? No, that's not it. Lovely. Is that it?
Late.
That's the puppy. Sorry I'm so lovely, but I've been finishing this. Ta-da!
What is it, Brainy?
I call it the Bouncy-mator. Ta-da!
La la la! What does it do?
It bounces. Ta-da!
Very bouncy. But what's it for?
I've no idea. Ta-da! But I'm sure we'll find out. Yes, yeah.
Beeps. Time for breakfast.
The Beeps settle down for breakfast in Bluebell Glade. Sleepy thinks he knows what the Bouncer-mator is for.
Oh, I've worked it out, Brainy. It's a machine to get porridge bowls onto the table extra quickly. See? Oops. Sorry.
I hate porridge. Have some potatoes instead, yo. Hooray! It doesn't work as a flying porridge machine, Brainy. Have you tried it with jam?
Let's wait until after breakfast. Then we can all help Brainy work out what his machine does.
Good idea, Bossy.
So the Beeps tuck into their lovely warm porridge and potatoes. And after breakfast, Brainy tries to find a use for his new machine. First, he visits Leafy.
Oh, this'll be just the ticket to help me plant my onion bulbs, Brainy. Oh, it makes holes where I can plant my seeds. Oh, it's a bit speedy now. Oh dear, oh, that's no good.
So Brainy tries Bossy Beep at the post bench.
This can help me put postmarks on the envelopes. That won't do at all.
Then Brainy visits Teeny. She thinks his invention will make a perfect teeny sign for her to carry around, so that everybody always knows where she is.
Grid reference outside the bush houses. Hello, Brainy. Have you seen Teeny Beep anywhere?
Afraid not, Nosy.
I'm here! I'm here! Look at the sign!
Oh, look, someone's drawn a picture of her.
Oh, yeah! How sweet! Let's find her and tell her. I'm here! I'm here! Oh!
Oh dear, that's not good. Bossy summons the Beeps back to Bluebell Glade.
Bless my bossy bangles. We've still no idea what Brainy's new machine is for.
That's it! Look at Bunny Beep hopping. That's what your machine is for, Brainy. Look, I'll show you. It's a hopping machine. What a great way to exercise. Come along, Bunny Beep.
Bada boom boom boom, bada boo boo. Beep when you see me, beep when you do.
Beep, bada beep, 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 bada boo. Beep, bada beep, 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 you.
Bada boom boom boom, bada boo boo. Beep when you see me, beep when you do.
Beep, bada beep, 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 bada boo. Beep, bada beep, 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 you.
We all feel better for that. Beep Beep and Bunny don't need to do the Beep Beep tree dance for exercise. They're having a hopping competition. Higher they hop, higher and higher. It looks like Bunny Beep has hopped as high as he can. Careful there, Beep Beep, don't hop too high.
One last extra high jump. Oops.
Poor Beep Beep. I do hope Bunny Beep brings help.
Whatever's the matter with Bunny?
He seems to want us to go into the woods. Perhaps Beep Beep is in trouble.
Come on, Beeps. Beep Beep! Where are you?
I don't think Bunny can remember which tree Beep Beep is stuck in.
I hope we don't get lost in these woods.
Their paths have crossed, the beeps are lost, saying, where are we, where can we be? We're lost. The beeps are in bother, they've lost each other, saying, where, oh, where can we be? We're lost, well, their paths have crossed, but the beeps are lost, saying, where are we, where can we be? We're lost, we're lost, we're lost, we're lost, we're lost, we're lost.
Beep Beep! Beep Beep! Where are you?
Up here, Bossy.
Bless my bossy branches. Beep Beep, what are you doing in that tree?
I bounced too high, Bossy, and I didn't look where I was going.
Oh dear.
Grid reference, Beep Beep up a tree. What are we going to do, Bossy?
Has anyone got a plan?
I'll fetch the Beeposaurus to get her down.
Someone must have a plan.
We could use another Bouncimator to bounce up and rescue her.
That's a brilliant plan, Brainy.
It is, isn't it? I'll start making another one right now. See you in a month.
A month? We can't leave Beep Beep up in a tree for a month, Brainy. She'll get hungry.
It's okay. There's fruit growing up here. But I'd rather be down there with my friends.
Here comes Teeny and the Beeposaurus.
Hello, Beeps. Got any problems that a big dinosaur with a very long neck might be able to help you with?
Beeposaurus, can you reach me?
I can if you grab onto that stick.
Oh, no, it's not a stick. It's a Bouncimator.
Beep Beep grabs hold of one end of the Bouncimator. And Beeposaurus grabs hold of the other end.
Left a bit. Right a bit. There.
The big friendly beastie plucks Beep Beep from the tree and gently lowers her to the ground.
Hooray!
Oh, thanks, Beeposaurus. Thanks, Teeny.
No problem, Beep Beep.
I don't think your machine is for exercising, Brainy.
Oh, bother. Well, perhaps it isn't for anything.
Cheer up, Brainy. Here, have a fruit.
Wow, a purple.
What's a purple?
That fruit. It tastes like an orange, but a bit more purple. They're delicious.
Why have we never had them before?
They only grow high up in the trees. Too high for a beep to reach.
But not too high for a beep on a Bouncimator. Grid reference, top of the tree. That's what your machine is for, Brainy, to pick purples.
As long as a helpful Beeposaurus is on hand for rescue missions.
Beeps away.
Beep Beep bounces and bounces to pick the purples. And the Beeps have a very purple fruit salad for tea. And after tea, It's time for a dance.
Such a catchy thing.